welcome to the Best of CRM. This video will go through creating a group, adding a contact to a group and editing the contacts within a group. So from here on the contacts page you can see the second tab in is groups. Clicking on this will take you through to be able to either view the groups that you currently have or indeed create a new group. You can see from the yellow tab there you can create a new group, and underneath you have a grid of all of the groups that you already have within your account, the group type and the number of contacts sitting in each of those groups. The red cross icon on the right hand side will enable you to delete each of those groups if you need to, but to create a group it's the yellow icon, which will take you through to a new page where you can decide your group name and the group type, whether it's business or personal. There'll be a new page which comes up as a result of this, which you can edit your group contacts. At the moment you can see there's no data to display, so there's no contacts within that group. So editing the group contacts will take you through to a page with two columns. One will be the contacts available to add to the group, and the second, which is the contacts currently already within that group. So selecting a few of the contacts that are available here, you can also use the arrows navigation or click on the page number to jump through the pages. Each time you click on the tick box and that contact becomes highlighted in the grey colour, they will automatically jump across to this column, which is the contacts currently within that group. And this also works vice versa. If you wanted to remove a contact from the group, it will automatically do that for you. To go back to the previous page and to view how many contacts you have within the group, you can click back on the group name at the top. And then you'll see the table is now populated with data of the contacts that you have within that group. If you need to customise the table, you can do. You'll have this drop down menu which you can drag and drop different fields across to the toolbar across the top. And again, if you want to remove those, it's the same, it's just a drag and drop back to that menu. So that is creating a group and adding in a contact. You can also edit the group contacts from this tab, or if you want to add in contacts quickly from the contacts screen, you can go back to the contacts grid, which will give you a list of all the available contacts on your account, and you can use the tick boxes on the side to quickly add in people that you want into a group, using the add selected to a group at the bottom. If you have more than one group, you'll need to choose whether it's an existing group or a new group that you'd like to add those into, and then obviously which group that would be. You can choose the option to view the group after you've saved these contacts to it, or just add them to the group and return back to your home screen there. So that's how to create a group and add a contact. Groups are a great way to refine your data, and you can use the email campaign reports to inform fine-tuning of your groups. So for instance, you could group your prospects to send future marketing campaigns to. You could go further than that and group them into sectors or industries, so you can send out industry related specific information to them. Or offers. You can group your clients or business members to send a new product or service information, such as if you add a door drop or a mini wrap to your proposition, you might want to inform them of the offer and whether they'd like to come on board with that. You can remind them of a networking event or an evening with, send them a booking form, or actually send out a survey to your attendees from your networking event to gain some feedback. And all of that can be done through the groups function. A contact can belong to more than one specific group, and you can move contacts between various groups or remove them altogether. If you want to remove them altogether, you can either do that through the contact itself, or you can go back into the Groups tab there to remove the contact and edit those fields as I've shown. If you wanted to remove a contact from a group via the contact page, you'd need to click onto that contact, and just while this loads, you will see the groups that each contact is belonging to on the bottom of their page, which has the Groups tab here and the names of each of the groups that they belong to. You can easily remove them from that group by just clicking on that editable link there. And again, you can add them to a group by choosing which group you'd like to add to, and then add to group if you'd like to keep on adding them to more groups. So that's creating a group, adding a contact, editing your contacts